Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And right here, we're looking at the aux power on our airplanes, whether you have a Traveler, Cheetah, Tiger. If your battery is low and you need to get a jump, you need to do two things. One, when you open the door, if you look right here, it'll tell you, caution, 12-volt DC only, master must be off. A lot of the GPU, the ground power units that they use at FBOs, they're geared for jets and they're geared for pistons that are 24, 28 volt systems. Unfortunately, we're doing some rewiring on this airplane. We're not going to mention name and VIN number, but they fried some wires. When the master's on and plugging in 28 volts, it smoked some wires. So as a caution, if you need a jump, you make sure they're jumping you at 12 volts. And it's you as pilot and command's decision to make sure that they obey that. So we hope you found that useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.